Welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're taking you off the beaten path and into the future with the all-new 2026 Jeep Cherokee. And trust us, this isn't just another refresh. Jeep has reimagined what the Cherokee stands for, blending classic toughness with futuristic tech, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. At first glance, the 2026 Cherokee looks leaner, sharper, more athletic. The boxier shape of previous models has been sculpted down into a more aerodynamic silhouette, while still keeping the signature Jeep stance. The front fascia now features a slimmer 7-slot grille, flanked by piercing LED matrix headlights. It's modern without losing that rugged DNA, sitting on 20-inch alloys and offering up to 11 inches of ground clearance with its off-road package. The new Cherokee is still built for terrain, not just traffic. But don't be fooled. This SUV isn't just about looks or legacy, it's smarter than ever before. Step inside and you'll see what we mean. The 2026 Cherokee welcomes you with a dual-display cockpit, one 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a center-mounted 13.2-inch infotainment screen, both running on Jeep's next-gen Uconnect 6 system. Everything is faster, cleaner, and smarter: voice control, over-the-air updates, and full wireless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there's a new AI-based driving assistant that learns your habits and preferences over time. It's like your co-pilot, but smarter. And yes, it now offers semi-autonomous driving. On mapped highways, the Cherokee can take over steering, acceleration, and braking. Whether you're commuting or cruising on a weekend road trip, this system makes driving feel effortless while still keeping safety as priority one. Underneath all that style and tech, you've got real muscle. Jeep offers the 2026 Cherokee with two powertrains, a refined 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 making 270 horsepower, and a plug-in hybrid variant delivering 375 horsepower combined. That hybrid setup, borrowed from the Wrangler 4Z, offers an impressive 35 miles of all-electric range, perfect for city drives or short adventures without burning a drop of fuel. Whisper quiet in EV mode, beastly when you need it. And yes, the trail-rated badge is still there. That means locking differentials, rock crawl mode, and water fording up to 24 inches. Jeep hasn't gone soft, it's just gotten smarter. In the back, there's more space than ever: expanded cargo room, adjustable rear seats, and a power liftgate that works with just a swipe of your foot. Whether it's camping gear or groceries, the Cherokee is built to haul it all, with comfort to match. Inside, luxury meets durability. Optional Napa leather, real wood trim, and a panoramic sunroof that stretches nearly the whole length of the cabin. Heated, cooled, massaging seats up front, and surprisingly generous room in the second row. This isn't your dad's Cherokee, it's a refined ride for today's driver. Jeep has also added a customizable ambient lighting system that lets you set the mood inside, whether it's calming blue for a long drive home or a fiery red for a night out. It's the little things that elevate the experience, and the 2026 Cherokee is full of them. So, who is this SUV really for? It's for the adventurer who wants comfort, the commuter who refuses to be bored, the family that values safety, style, and substance. The 2026 Jeep Cherokee isn't just another midsize SUV, it's a statement of where Jeep has been, and where it's boldly going next. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this look at the future-ready Jeep Cherokee, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you take this over the Grand Cherokee or stick with the classics? We want to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, drive bold.